Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Horror It Up. How's everyone doing? I hope everybody's doing great. And guys, on this video, we're going to be viewing and unboxing a few items that I got at the Church of Chills 3 on Saturday in Cleveland, Ohio. It was absolutely awesome. We've met so many of the Facebook friends we have, and the cast of the subspecies, and of course Charles Band and the Queen of Church of Chills, Robert Cindy, and our special guest Megan Jana Davis. Awesome. So before we get to with the merches, I actually took these 2 discs to the Church of Chills to have Jana Davis sign it. And this is the regular Blu-ray Megan. There goes her signature there. And then we have the 4K Megan 2.0. And there goes her signature there. And she was so awesome. She asked me which one I like the best. I mean, I actually like both of them. But I guess this one has a little more action in it, and it's just a little bit better than the first one, in my opinion. So, but I like them both just the same. And then I also told her that I'm hoping that we'll see part 3. And I also got the cast to sign my subspecies coffin Blu-ray set cover. There was quite a few people also getting this signed, and that's awesome. Puts a little value on that set, don't it? Well, I'm going to show you first what I purchased, and then we're going to do the unboxings, okay? So let's do that now. And we're going to start off with the poster, and you can see the signatures of the cast there, and the guest star Megan Jana Davis. There's her face right there. I hope you can see it because I don't see it. Okay? Beautiful. I gotta frame this as soon as I can. I don't want it to bend in all kinds of ways. And then I also purchased the well, at the Church of Chills, we purchased this already signed for $30. So that was good. The back, sorry guys. You know, I'm actually dying to unbox Blood Splatter Pinhead. So let's put this one here. And let's put the poster here also with this here. And last time we were there, I didn't get this Bonemeter shirt. So I got all the other ones, so I figured I better get this one. Now I got every single one of them, which is pretty cool. So that's the other purchase. And this is not a purchase. Make sure I don't have nothing else. No. This is not a purchase. This was actually free to those who attended the Church of Chills Live, which is the Full Moon holiday horror ornaments. And there are 6 of them. And I can't wait to see what they look like. So anyway, let's just get in here. And guys, I had opened this up already at the Church of Chills, because you know I have bad luck with these are kind of resin, and I have very bad luck with resin. So I figure once I'm there, if there's any damage to one of them, they could replace it right away. But everything was good. And there was no damage. I'll put this one here, but I don't want to put it the wrong way. Let's put it like that. So just take them out one by one to show you what they look like. Now they do look a lot better than when you see it on video. And like I said, I checked every one of them. None of them came damaged, so that was good. So this is head of the family. Big head. Very nicely. Has a little weight on him. They all got weight on them. So that's the first one. The second one we're going to do is Blade. Now look how cool he looks. And he has the bullet eyes. He might be the heaviest of them. And the head is really nice. I mean, they're really nicely sculptured. See the hair and the bottom, there's nothing there. That is so cool. So cool. And then, and I think this is the smallest one of them all, is the Ginger Dead Man, sporting his little knife there. And you see he's got his sleeve and collar. I might paint a little blood on that knife. Looks too plain. So that's the third one. Then we have the Killer Eyes. That is pretty good. It would have been nice if this would have been a little longer. But it looks great. And guys, if you haven't seen any of these movies, they are available. Most of them are available on Full Moon Feature. And if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe to them. They have hundreds and hundreds of movies, mostly from the 80s and until now, today. Next one is Jester. Jester is with his Santa Claus Christmas hat. And he also has a little weight on him. And the last but not least is from Subspecies Radu. He is so cool. There you go. So you can see how detailed they really are. Right? So cool. So, and this is the last one of them all. So yeah, I'm gonna put these down. I don't want it to fall. I don't want anything to damage, because we're gonna bring out splatted blade. So yeah, guys, here he is. And I just wanted to point out that there was one person that was really missed at the Church of Chills, and a lot of you may know him as Just the Mikey. He has a YouTube channel, and he had to attend his brother's wedding and couldn't make it. So I decided, since he's not too far from me, to purchase his blood splattered pinhead and drop it off at his house on my way home, which I knew would make him very happy. He's a wonderful guy. I really like this guy a lot. Him and Mason are one of my favorites, if not the favorites, Fumu friends that I have. Okay, so with that said, we're gonna come and bring this guy out and see what he looks like. Oh, okay, let's get him out of here. This box is getting stuck here somewhere. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. These boxes do be stubborn sometimes. Okay, so let's get him out of this one here. Oh boy, there he is, guys. I'm about to take him out. It was cool, guys. I just want to take him out of the bag before I show him to you guys. There he is, guys. Blood splattered pinhead. Now, my opinion, it's only my opinion. I think they overkilled the blood on the pants. I could see the hands being all bloody. But it depends how bloody was the death, right? But there he is, guys. There you got him. This is the Church of Chills 3. Blood splattered pinhead. Yes, and I can't wait which one is going to come out for the Church of Chills 4, which will also be in April of 2026. So stay tuned for that one. There you go, guys. Some of the guys out there was having Charles Band sign the back. I just didn't want to bother taking him out right there. There was too much going wrong. But yeah, he looks great. He looks great, guys. And I hope that you attended the Moment screening of it, because you also get him for $250. After that, it's going to go up to $400, I believe. So yeah, and there you got him, guys. I'm going to need to purchase a stand for him, because I guess the ones I got might be too small, but I'll find one. If not, I'll buy one. So guys, there you got it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, I'll be making another video on the Church of Chills 3 itself in a couple of more days. But guys, I'm going to leave all the information on him and prices on the description below. And I'm also going to leave Jester Mikey's YouTube channel down below so you could check him out. He's awesome. Him and Mason have some knowledge of these puppet masters and Full Moon itself. So don't forget, guys, if it's your first time viewing my channel, hit that subscription button, hit that notification bell, give me a like and a thumbs up, and share this with your friends and family. And until my next video on Hurry It Up, peace.